Holy, it's morning time in Inwood, dude.
Oh my god.
Did you know I was coming?
Oh,
did you sense it?
Maybe.
Did I send off Donecker signals?
Almost got me there, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Dick. Might be lunchtime for the fucking hobo. What do we got?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, eat that right there, that little nugget right there. I gave you a pack of smokes yesterday, dude.
You did too.
It's nothing,
pizza boxes.
nothing good.
Terrible limo. Yeah, these got white wheels. Oh, it's a fucking straight Hot Wheels.
Fucking scores! Push it in there.
Getting a little further in there.
I can stuff it in the rest of the tractor. Just give her the old boop.
Yeah.
Okay. So you probably just like lay under there and hold the transmission, and I'll like scoop the truck off it, so you don't want the transmission to fall, right?
Yeah. Just falls on me though.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Or if I start poking you with the fork,
Yeah.
just be like, hey, you're poking me with the fork, and I'll be like, oh, and then I'll back up.
Real loud.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I was just thinking we need to get stung by a hornet yet. We haven't been stung by a hornet yet this year. Let's get that done. You know that one, right? I apologize. You always want to stand right in the direct line of fire of these bastards. I learned though that if 2 bolts are missing and 2 other ones are wallowed right out, okay, will not take 400 psi. Won't do it. You'd hardly even notice anything happen now. Broke my thumb right down the middle. Right down the end there, a little twig part. Oh, hey, buddy. Are you strong?
What?
We got a cart. It'll be fun. It'll be fun.
Oh, yeah.
So let me tip this one. This one's the light one, so we'll put it on first, and then I can wallow it to the other side of the trailer.
Yeah, yeah.
And then,
Okay.
okay, 1, 2, 3. A little bit. Much heavier. Oh, okay, strong? How about we use tractor? Oh no, what happened? Do I need to do a confidence check?
What, me?
Yeah, confidence? You got confidence?
I got confidence.
Right on. Okay, go. You coming? You coming? You can come. You can come with me. Got a couple stops to make, so it'll be a minute, but you're Mistute, probably. Fire! Carol! Carol! Oh, we got a couple barrels of oil on here too, boys. I'm not sure how they're gonna like that, but I apologize. 18,280, 18,300, 18,320. Of course. Oh dear. Lost me, guys. That was good. Shit. 12,100. 12,100. Just mad as
Huh?
mad as
What?
you.
What? You brought the coolant today?
Look at that Dodge Cummins. Look at that load. Yeah, dude. How much was that Dodge?
That one weighed in at 19,380.
That's it? Oh, look.
Looks like a lot of fluffy stuff.
Right on, mister. You too, thank you. Here you go. Coming? Coming? Can't remember what I was, but this guy only 19,000 something something in his trailers. Definitely more heavy duty. So, holy shit, got a great big diesel engine on it. Oh, it's Barky. You want pats? Should pull over and give him some pats real quick. That frame on that truck cut right in half, in better shape than my dump truck. Holy shit. That's not good. That doesn't give me very much confidence. You know what I mean? Holy, look at my friend. Look at my friend, he loves pats. Don't go in there, stupid. Go somewhere else. I know what mummy's like. Okay? That was expensive beers.
Is it expensive?
Yes.
How expensive?
It was like $15 and something.
Oh, very nice. All at once.
Yeah, where's the schmo? Schmo?
Oh, fucking.
Oh, curtsy, classy fella.
Yeah.
Classy fella.
There's another thing I gotta do. I gotta do a little.
Yeah. Might have to get a few of them cigarettes back for f***ing up. You have any 16s?
Those are not 16s. I don't know if those are fucking.
I'm trying to find like a bigger one for you.
Oh, well, boys are good friends I've ever. Send us a little bit of a package. You know that the felon's got his pops and his friggin' cigarettes. But gotta drop them off tomorrow for the oh, it's a retractable hose reel. Nice. Nice. Little compact unit for the truck right there, boys. Maybe even the Gremlin, but really, truck would be better. Check that out, Nasium. Nasium's got a friggin' bit of a package. Oh, dick. I'll have to come to Inwood and sanctificate that. Probably.
Hello, my friend.
What happened?
I check the house， 就是油，后面拿涂抹，不啊就 OK 的
What?
，10 minutes 油。I don't know English.
Oh, tractor. Yeah, no, I gotta go.
10 minutes.
Yeah, no, I'm on my way out the door right now, buddy.
Today? Shit, no.
No, I'm on my way out the door right now.
Not today.
No,
How long?
maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm leaving today.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Smoke cigarettes.
Okay, thank you.
Oh no, you sleeping?
Kinda.
You got your shitter full of cigarettes?
Shitter.
Yeah, your shitter. You got your cigarettes in your butt?
Oh. No, not yet.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You're late. You're late. We gotta go.
Okay.
You're gonna get a warrant for your arrest.
Oh, wait, you found me?
Yeah, you gotta turn yourself in for your weekends. Oh, you don't even have your Xanny bars up your butt yet? Oh, fuck. Look at the state of those cans.
I blame it on the pops.
Hey, Pops? Oh, no. Oh,
I
no.
saved myself one for this morning because I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Holy f***.
Just shit-faced?
Oh my god, the f***ing headache this morning.
Nice. You're not used to those. You're used to the fancy ones.
I'm just not used to hangovers in general anymore, man. I don't drink very much.
Oh,
Like, I used to drink whole a day.
good Lord.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear sirens, bud. There's a warrant for your arrest.
Oh man, I don't even have time to shove these up there.
No. Just put them in your diaper quick.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty rough week for the felon there, it looks like.
Oh man.
You did it, buddy. You made it.
Oh, did I ever.
Oh,
Finally. Oh. I got that alternator out last night too.
no.
Yeah.
Scores?
Yeah, bud.
Just had a few pops, took a few alternators.
Yeah.
Nice. Muncher wants me to go over there right now for only 10 minutes to fix his chick coop.
Oh, is that his place?
Bye!
That's too much.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, he come over this morning and told me, 10 minutes, I know English. Chicken house. Move, chicken house. He wants me to drive my tractor over there to move the chicken house.
To move the chicken house.
It'll take 10 minutes, but yeah, but I gotta go, buddy. Oh, I don't know English. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah,
You
double.
just can't get enough out of line.
Nope.
Sakes.
I know.
Oh, there.
Crying shame, man. I got fucking stuck on two at once.
Yeah. Ready to party.
Fuck.
You know what I mean? You really know how to party.
Do I? Yeah, right. Oh fuck, not anymore.